Ki pajba ba penankam da kakali Isuzu, jong kathain chate lamingi kari India, kantup na jalam Meghalaya. Haka sing sajan ka hendru tarik nailar arjar arpoar. Kilai kandu ulang beriasam ya kijingsyam jongki, haki jingyak ki baman lakas ngi, haka banyak ya kitiki kali. Ya kate kijingyak kandu ulang balakot daga North East Isuzu. Lapan long ha Orchid Lake Resort, kabadan ha umyam, haka baki nongñiah ya kitiki kali jong kajela, kilawan banasi mentalang. Haka jingalang kabalengkot hak te kajaka, kipajba kiba penankam ban lek jinglek, haki kam baman lakas ngi da kitiki kali. Kilai ka jingaro ya ka jinglong jong kali. Kilapan pauru baka company ka kloy banyarap, ban batai ha bayadei, bat ka jing penankam ya kali. Haka ni kasngi MLA barim ka Pariong constituency, Dr. Advisor Pariong, ulawan banasi mentalang, bat udairu uwe uba penankam da ketika kali, haki kam ki baman lakas ngi. Ladan langru ka monsun dole. Kabri ka sales manager, kabalayo mensengap ya kejing pensengau jong kinongnya, kabala batairu ya kejinglong jong kali. Kum man kadeu hangne, baka jela asam kaditang maka marwe ka than chate lamingi kari India. Bandon ya kajaka di ya kitiki kali Isuzu. Batkat kum kajingathu ka monsun dole, bakila dan hadu live sangut na jela Meghalaya, kibalathit ya kitiki jat kali.
Nice to meet this today for this Isuzu notice here in Shillong area. Actually, me also have a S-car. I thought that if I buy, because I have only a Scorpio myself for traveling around. Because I am a doctor also in the one sense, so I have to carry medicine. So I feel that S-car is more than enough for me. And I'm not that person who used to venture in off-road condition also. And one thing I feel that S-car is a very good car. I think it's a car that give back my investment, what I feel. Investment. Yesterday I carried 10 bundles of Ïashim. I feel that 10 bundles might be 600 kilo. What I can go easily. I used to carry like so many things on my car, and it gives me the satisfaction. Like the fuel consumption also is very good, and the quality of ride also is very good. So I do envy my friend who have big rush, even though I feel that my escape can fulfill 80% of my purpose. Yes. And the service in your Isuzu thing is very good, what I feel. I have a small accident last time also, but they can finish very well. Like new only, I couldn't recognize that.
Your car was completely damaged.
Yeah, to change everything. So, but one advice from our friend who owns Isuzu is that don't give your car to somebody to drive Isuzu car.
Yes.
That's what I feel. Only the owner know how to drive. That's what I feel. Because the size of the car is big, so the other driver they would not to drive. What I feel. Even me also, I met so many small accidents before. Because the size is very big. Sometimes it's difficult. At last I have to keep the camera, so it helped me in everything.
I bought my Isuzu in 2009. Experience driving, everything is okay. Like Monsoon said, if you have any bad experience, we'll share. Only one bad experience is when I had gone for my first servicing. I had booked at 11 o'clock. I had to wait till 3 cars go over. No, they said that. So by the time I got into the servicing, it was 2:30. That was the only thing.
Okay, the waiting period was too long for you.
Yeah, because I only slotted for 11. But then it went up to 6:30. Otherwise, everything else, spare parts, driving experience, it's wonderful. Like you said, adventure cars or go off-road, trekking and camping outside. It's smooth. You come back, you do some servicing, check the spring and shop up the thing. It becomes like brand new again. So it's a good experience.
Good morning, everybody. Isuzu owners. I'm Damian Umdor. So it's a very good platform to be here because I used to long to meet other Isuzu owner in Shillong or in Meghalaya, but thank God for your Isuzu Guwahati Northeast for organizing this event today. Though most I know some people, but it's good to meet some other people also. I've owned this Isuzu B-Cross since 18. So I have roamed Northeast, I have roamed Meghalaya. Actually, there's only plus point. I have not found any negative point. Yes, I have hit my rear view mirror But it got replaced, though it take 2 months. But at that time, there is no Isuzu. But they come from Siliguri to do
At
servicing.
that point of time.
Yeah, and next air condition. But also after 3 years, I think it's natural because the way I use air condition. But the vehicle is good and it's fantastic, and it can go anywhere. So that is it is easy on the highway. It's easy in the off road. So overall, it's a very good vehicle. So I really enjoy driving this vehicle for last 4 years. Thank you.
I'm Paul. My experience is Isuzu vehicle is a quite good vehicle. Actually, it's for off-road. There's no other vehicle to compare with, especially the V-Cross. We have a 4x4 and everything is good. Only the service part the company has to think over how to do it. Since 2014.
From 2014. Okay, it's been 8 years.
So far, so good. It's been just about 4 months since I got this vehicle. I had various options like the Tata Xenon, then the camper, then even like I was even looking forward for the Toyota Hilux. But then finally, I just opted for Isuzu. So far, I've had no bad experiences. The car has been banged from the back. I've got some dents, but then the build quality is really good. That's when unless you experience, you won't realize it, right? You won't know. So I got banged once from behind, and I could see the other vehicle was quite damaged. But the back of the Isuzu is just a small dent. So I realized yes, made a good option. I got this vehicle as a for multi utility. We have an adventure camp. So far, I've used for personal as well as for carrying a lot of stuffs, and so far so good. So far no bad experience, all good.
I'll just want to know about in hills, maximum customer prefer for 4x4.
Yes.
But you have gone for Escape, which is 4x2.
Yes.
And in terms of power, is also less than Isuzu V-Cross.
Yes.
So, what is your experience? Do you find any kind of difficulties? Have you gone to off-roading or somewhere?
Not much, just a small incline, but of course there's always a difference between
4x4 and 4x2. There will
so
be difference.
I could easily manage with
But I believe that our vehicle, even if it's a 4x2 also, it cross all those road which even other brand cannot go
Yes,
4x2s.
yes.
So Escape, that in that case, I will say that they have competed other brand 4x2 also.
yes.
So that is
So far so good.
To do escape, and so far it has fulfilled my dream. I went from Tawang till Shillong till Dora Sums everywhere I could go with this car. As a student, it fulfilled my dream to go everywhere and adventure with my cousins and my family. And I can't say anything negative about it because so far it's been positive for me because it has given me positive vibe and adventure in life. And also the Isuzu service family has been positive because they every time I need some help, I call them, they answer me, they help me, they try to help me whatever problem I have. So far that's it. That's what I can say. Thank you.
Okay, actually, it has been 3 years establishment of Northeast Isuzu in Guwahati. This is the only dealer in entire Northeast, and we are successfully. We can say that we are in the #1 in Pan India in terms of sales and service port. And the agenda behind keeping this customer meet here is I already said, because it's been 3 years, and because of the COVID and everything, we could have done it earlier, but because of this COVID, we have to stop it there. And then so we decided this year to do this in here and to meet customers, to know the experience, and they can share us the good and the bad, because our Isuzu customers are very a different segment customers. They are not they don't get this car because this is a first car for them. It's a kind of dream car for them. They already have many vehicles in their garages, but they wants to go for adventure vehicle, then they go for Isuzu. And Isuzu, as you know, it's one of the best, you can say, in diesel engine king. It's known as the diesel engine king. Isuzu is known for that. So it's more than 100 years old brand. And before we didn't have a dealer in Northeast, so people used to go out of Northeast and they get it. So now it is in here. So we are expanding our visibilities and also the customer experience, so that we can give a delightful customer experience. Isuzu owners, we almost have 30 to 35. But thing is that all of them are not active right now because they are from outstation also. Like outstation in the sense they are not from proper city. So it's not, it is becoming difficult to come across from 300 kilometers 400. So almost 30 to 35 vehicle we have sold in what is called in Meghalaya, and that too from the establishment of our dealer. Before that also, I can see many Isuzu owners in Meghalaya, because for us the best place to sell this vehicle is in hills, and Meghalaya is a prospecting market for us. Yeah, see, yeah, I have got feedback, good and bad. Every company has a good bad feedback. The feedback which they have given me is that they have concerned with the service is like they take time for the service. First concern they have raised that they have to wait for 3 or 4 hours for the servicing. See, our customers are very important for us, and we have established only one service center. So what happened if the appointment is taken, sometimes it takes time because it's not normal something we have to do. So that is the one concern they have raised, that we are taking much time. We will definitely reduce the time and give them the best service. And another, they have said that of this parts and everything, we already have parts. As I said, we have established newly, so some of the parts which they are asking for, we don't keep in stock. We need to order it. So in that basis, the order, transaction time, whatever it takes time. And moreover, in between of I think COVID, they have ordered the part, so it took time for that. So we are really sorry for that, for the inconvenience. We will definitely enhance our service and will do it good for us. No, we will be having this kind of honors meet every year, maybe two times, minimum 2 times in a year. And we already have covered almost the noticed, like Arunachal we have covered, Manipur we have covered, and Arunachal is also a big area, prospect market for us, so we cannot cover in only one place. So maybe in Itanagar we have done, Rowing we have, the Pasighat we have, in that way we have done journal wise, and we are going on it.